बोल कहाँ से आ गई बड़ी?
वो तो कहाँ गई बोल बड़ी मोड़ा के ये ले जाओ अभी आप। हेलो एवरीवन, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट दैट आईएएस फोरम मेंस आंसर राइटिंग।
बोल वाला बॉक्स ले ले। वो पूरा धूप बत्ती रख दी उठा।
Analyzes the effective of India disaster management and communication system in the context of the recent earthquake and discuss the role of the both government and privately yearly alert system in such the scenarios.
हेलो पता नहीं वे तीन का ही पता नहीं तीन का चलेगा।
Introduction grief.
हाँ एक भी नहीं है देना, एक भी बस संजय आवाज दे वो खनखान के मोड़न के संग जो जा रहा।
Give brief context to the questions and body effectiveness of the communication system and role of the government and private and yearly alert and the system and conclusion way forward. The recent earthquake. The recent earthquake in Nepal and the terror in the Delhi have the prompted a critical examination of the effectiveness of the disaster management communication system and in placing both the government and the private yearly alert mechanism. Effectiveness of India disaster management communication system. Yearly warnings and the system to keep the identified and the seismic activities. India has the made program inputting yearly and warnings system in place and the essential functions of the Indian Meteorological Department IMD is the issues of the alert and public communication channels to brief spread and information to the government. The government uses a variety of public communication channels and such as the radio broadcast and the sirens and the SMS alert. Thus channels and must be the easily accessible, particularly and to be the wide ranges of the population. E.g. National Disaster Management Authority NDMA, Cell Broadcast Alert System and CBAS has been the tested to send out the mass alert and when the natural disaster is strict. Google warming system with the help of the new Android and the earthquakes. Yearly warming and system Android and users in India can now the receive earthquake alerts. Alert system and CBAS and has been the tested to be send out the mass alert and when the naturally disaster is strict. Google warming system with the help of the new Android earthquake yearly warming system and Android users in India can now receive earthquake alert. Many nations and although thought out the work and have the already implemented the systems and which the aid in the providings in early warming and when the seismic activities and start. Google in cooperation with the National Seismology and Center NSC and the National and Disaster Management Authority and DMA introduced and to India. Role of both government and private yearly alertness and system in such the scenarios and information sharing and coordination. It is the essential that the various government organizations including the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) in the states and disaster management authorities. SDMA the local administration coordination with one the another coordinating and seamlessly is the essential. Seamlessly is the essential to the effectiveness of the information and distribution since it the guarantees that the alert are the swiftly received by the impacted area. Part awareness and education. The degree of public awareness and education on the earthquakes and the preparedness and affects the efficiency of communication method as well as the persist effort are required to raise awareness of the need for the early warnings. Early warming across a variety of the community, particularly in those living in remote valleys. Discuss the implications of the repeat and meeting and of the west articles and ice sheet on global sea levels and how does the phenomenon highlighted the borders effects of climate changes on the polar region. Introduction. Give brief the contact and to the questions and body the implications of the repeat and meltings of ice sheets and conclusion way forward. According to the study and unboiled future increase in the West Antarctic ice shelf and the meltings over the 21st century and warms the water and would causes the West Antarctic ice sheet to melt repeatedly, resulting in the continents and from the sea levels and rising by the 5.93 meters or the 17.4 feet, and this could have catastrophic effect on the million of the peoples and who live in the vulnerable coastal about features an increase in the West Atlantic and ice shelf and melting the over the 25 centuries and warms water and wood could and the West Antarctica and ice sheet to the melt repeatedly and resulting in the continent means and sea level is rising by the 5.3 meters or the 17.4 feet, and this could have the catastrophic effect on the millions of the peoples and who live in the vulnerable coast cities around the world and including the India. Implications of the repeat melting of the ice sheet, raising sea levels and of the evaluate the effectiveness of the ideas. Effectiveness of India and legal framework in the protecting domestic violence or surveillances. Discuss the challenges faced by the survivors and Ben seeking justice and give brief context and to the problems of the domestic abuse and body. The highlighted the effectiveness of the legals and frameworks to the address and this and the challenges and faced and conclusion way forward. India has made effort to the address the issue of the domestic violence through the legislatives and the measures and with the significant being the protections of the women from the Domestic Violence Act and the PWDBA enacted in 2005 and according the latest National Families Health Survey 5 and the 2019 and 20 and 30% of the women between the ages of the 18 and 49 and experience the physical violence and from the age of the 15 and by 6% experience and sexual violence in their lifetime. Effectiveness of India and legal framework in protecting the domestic violence survivors. Criminal offence in 1989 and the section 498A was added to the Indian Penal Code and designating domestic abuse as other districted criminal offence and the abuse of other married woman by other husband or his the family is covered in these sections and Bureau Prohibitions Act the 1961. The act forbid the payment or the receipt of the diarchy and this is the guaranteed other shift in India. Diarchy culture and related violences, protections of women and from the domestic violence and Act of 2005, the 2005 protection of women from the domestic violence. Act mandated that the incidents and domestic abuse against the woman be reported to the protection officers. The purpose of the act was to provide the access to justice and for the women and who might not always and want to pursue and criminal charges and would rather maintain the possibilities of the reconciliations and challenges faced by survivors and ban the seeking justice and lack of the police and sensitizations and law enforcement official frequently and show the hostility to survivors and possibles due to the insufficient training on how to the handles cases and involving the domestic abuse and police staff and must participated in the sensitization and session to the guaranteed a more encouraging response and justice judicially delay. The backlog of cases in the Indian legal system and cases rely in the administration of justice. It is the crucial to resolve the cases quietly and to the provided survivors and with the timely and assistance and lack of the shelter houses and survivors and ability and to leave abuse and the circumstances is the harm paid by the lack of the shelter houses of the rehabilitation and centric and under reporting and due to the societal and stigma and fear of the reprisals and economic dependence and the ignorance of legal remedies. Domestic violence instances are often the reported and which presented a serial difficulty in adequate and the implementations. The PWDBA has been the inconsistencies and the implemented despite its the existence due to the insufficient knowledge and bureaucratics delay certain the survivors encounters and difficulties obtaining protections orders and others the forms of assistance. Conclusion. The protection of the Articles 21 and which the guarantees and women's the right to the live and with the dignity and required other concerted effort on the part of the society and the government and to the raise awareness and increase law enforcement and sensibility and shorten and courtroom delay and the offer survivors and complete support services and ongoing the effort are the required and monitoring and addressing thus the issues and this the crucial if we are to the improve the efficiency of India legislative and the protection for the victims of domestic abuse. Examine the changes in ensuring the quality of genetics and medicals in India and how does this the impact public health. Introduction. What is the genetic drugs and body and highlighted the challenges in ensuring the qualities. quality of generics and medicines and their the impact on public health, and conclusion way forward. A genetic drug is other per medical drug, and that is the equivalent and to other brand name and the product in dosage and strength route of the administration's qualities performance and intended use. The recently the nationals and medical council NMC and directed all the doctors to the prescribe only the generics, the names and not the brand and name, to the improve access to the affordable medicines as part of their ethical and commitment to patient. Challenges in ensuring the qualities of generic medicines and weak enforcement value. Future to consistency and afford the quality standard and regulation can result in gaps in oversights and management of genetics of management of genetic medicine manufacture and distributions, and this is the particularly valid for small and unregistered and manufactured. Lack of infrastructure, it is the possible and that some the pharmaceuticals and productions and facilities, especially the smaller and ones, do not have the technology and infrastructure required for quality control, and the quality of the genetics medication and may vary as a result of this, and problems with the supply chains and the pharmaceuticals and supply chains is the frequently complicated and involving the several middlemen and sub per or the counterfeit, and the medications may find their way onto the market as a result of the inadequate and monitoring at the every levels, restricted resources, and some smaller pharmaceutical companies and may lack the fundings necessary to the devotes to the R&D or to the upholding standard for high qualities manufacturing. This can have and the impact of their the terms quality, impact on the public health, effectiveness of the treatment medications and that are the suppers or the counterfeit and may not have the right amount a result and the illness and may last the longer and cost more to the tried and treating health diseases if the patient are using generics and medications for long terms and the illness and there the diseases and could get the worse, and if the medications and are of the poor qualities or don't adhere to the regulations. Loss of faith in the healthcare system and the event involving the suppers and the medications and have the potential to the reduce public confidences in the healthcare system, and which may the discourage people from seeking and medical attentions and or the from following the recommendation force of the treatment. High expenditures on health and ineffective and the therapies and might the result in the need for the further medical procedures, hospitals and say and the higher healthcare and expended for the both the patient and the healthcare system. Conclusion: over 90% of all the necessary medications and must be the repeatedly available. Free diagnostics and medications are the acceptable policy to the guaranteed access and the inexpensive medicals and for all under the universal healthcare, and but there the executions must be closely watched. Expanding the Janu Sadi and the Kendra network is necessary to the guarantee the availability of less the expensive medications. Question: analyzes the potential economic impact of the proposed India-UK free trade agreement on India economic and discuss the sector and that are the likes to benefits and those that might face challenges. Introduction: give context to the questions and body impact of the FTA and challenges that the might raise from it. Conclude way forward. Recently, there has been other discuss between India and External Affairs Minister and UK Foreign Policies and about the singing India-UK Free Trade Agreement (FTA), potential economic impact of the FTA, trade expansions by removing of lowering tariffs and others the trade barriers. A free trade agreement between India and UK may result in other rise in the bilateral trade. This might accelerate an economic growth and provide India's exporters with new markets. Other study by the UK Department of the International Trade and said that the India-UK FTA could increase India bilateral exports and to the UK by the 10.6 billion. and that of the UK and by the 16.7 billion investment flow, and because there are the favors and regulatory barriers of enterprises in both India and the UK to invest in each other's the market. FTA may lead to the rise in foreign direct investment FDI between the two nations. Employment creation, trade and investment growth have potential to create jobs across several industries, particularly those that and she other speak in the demand as a result of the highest export sectors and which are likely to benefit information technology and services. India has other robust and it is the industries and more. It is the services and could be the exported to the UK as a result of and the FTA and textiles and clothing. Lower the tariff and could help India and labor the intensive sectors and like the textile and clothing sectors and get better access to the UK market. Automobiles and engineering lower trade barriers and could result in more Indians engineering and automobiles export to the UK and pharmaceuticals. A significant participated in the pharmaceuticals and the sector in India increased the shipment of the generic medications to the UK and could result from and the FTA challenges that might be faced by the sectors. Carbon tax. Similar to the European Union, the United Kingdom is considering implementing the carbon borders and adjustment mechanism and CBAM and on the metals imports and trying them to the carbon emission. The adaptation of such other mechanism by the UK akin to the EU approach and could the adversely impact India. Non-tariff barriers and NTBS and which the commonly manifested and as the regulations and standard testing certifications or the pre-shipment and inspections and are the significant concern in the ongoings and the negotiations and vegetables and fruit experts for the intense frequently and encounters stringent and limitations imposed by the European economic concernings and pesticide and others the contaminant in agriculture's impact. Conclusion. Before the proceeding and with the negotiations and India should weigh the economic advantage and the disadvantagement of the India-UK free trade agreement and paying the particulars attention to the sector about the digital trade, labor and the environment and the intellectual properties right. Access the socio-economically challenges faced by the opium farmers in the India, especially and in the context of the government policy challenges and allowing the privates and players in the opiums and the productions and processings. Production briefly and describes and opiums and the production in India. Body highlights and socio-economically challenges faced by the opiums and farmers and conclusion way forward. Opium is and the addictives and sustains and that can the cause and mental clouding and the hallucinations and it is the productions is highly the regulated and in India across the 22 districts in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh and Mandeswar, Neemuch and the Chittorgarh districts produce the 80% and of the Indian opiums and the however in the 2021 and 22 crop years and the union government challenges in its the opiums and the policy allowing the private players and to the produce the concentration of the poppy strength. CPS and from the opiums and the policy poppy to the boost and the yield of the alkaloid and socio-economically challenges faced by the farmers. New CP method. CPC is other mechanism system under which the entire the harvest and will be the cut and by the machines and the transferred to the government factories and and this will help in the increasing the yield of the crop and but the method is less labors and intense and the farmers fears the loss of the income and from the new methods and dependency on the global prices condition in the global market have and the impact on the price of the opiums and changes in the availability and demand of opium worldwide and may impact opinion farmers earning. Health risk. Growing the opinion exposed and goings to the health hazards and from the handling. from hazard and from the handling and the processing opiums and poppy seeds. The well-being of the farmers and may be the impacted by the a lack of the safety precautions and restricted and crops options in some the areas growing the opiums is other customary practices, and therefore farmers have few options, and when it comes and to the incomes and crops, the diversification is frequently and difficult in those the 22 districts where the production is concerned contracted, and impact of the policy changes. Less transparency, farmer content and that the new and CPS and mechanism and is less the transparency and more the favorable to big private companies, as they will try to the maximize and profits and the smugglings and farmers unions believe that the entry of private players and will lead to an increase in the smugglings of the opiums, and as the middleman and private players and will the targeted poor farmers often in distress the situation and will which will lead to the law enforcement and issue for the poor farmers and safety and the security the productions of the alkali it by the private sectors, and will make the opiums and productions costly and leading to the surge in prices of medicines and used for the treatment, and it will the indirectly impact farmers and health and the safety. It can also lead to the illegals and productions of opinions and the smugglings of the drugs into the Indian market inacutely. There is other risk of the increase and income and inequality and between the between the large scale and the commercially and oriented and opium producers and small scale traditional farmers, and who might the strength to adopt to market oriented changes. Conclusion: while the entry of the private players and bring the benefits like the enhances market access, the competition and technologies adoptions, it's also the bring multi-phases and challenges, and all of which the required and support from the government in the form of the support to the farmers to the diversify and crop production and with the community development programs, and that can the address and border socio-economically challenges, providing the holistic support to the opium dependent community. Question: analyzes the constitution provision related to. Analyzes the constitution provision related to discretionary power of the government in the context of the assentings to the bill passed by the state legislature and discussion with the references to the recommendation of the Sarkaria and Punji Commission. Give brief context to the questions and body highlighted provisions and related to the ACID bill and the suggestion of the commission's conclusion way forward. Recently, the Tamil Nadu government and with the hold ACID from the certain bill and passed by the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly raised the concern and regarding the discriminations and power of the government in the context of the ascendings to bills and passed by the state legislation constitution provision related to the power of the government in the context of assertings to bill articles 2000 and articles, and to this the articles the governor can give his the assets to the bill and withhold his the assets to the bill or the reserve of the bill for the considerations of the president. The governor discretionary power in this regard are important for maintaining the balance between the executive and legislative balances of the state government. Articles 2001. These articles grant the governor the power of to reserve certain bill for the president consolidations. The president may either and give his assents and to the bill or withhold his assets and government and must act according to article 2202 and this the articles and gives the governors and the power to the return other bill and other the main either money bill for reconsiderations by the state legislature along and with either required for the consolidations of the bill, and if the legislature process the bill again and with or the without modifications, the governors is obligated to assent to it. Recommendation of State Central Relations Commissions. Sarkaria Commission. The Sarkaria Commission emphasizes and that the governor discriminaries and power is primarily and limited to the reservations of will and for the consideration of precedent, and this the authority and should be the invoked only in the rare cases of unconstitutionalism, and in all others the instances and the governors is expected to the exercise functions under the articles 200 following the advice of the ministers. The commission's recommendations that the principal should promptly dispose of such reserve bill and within a maximum period of 6 months. Additionally, if the president decided to the withhold assets, and reasons for such other decisions and should be the communicated to the state government whenever feasible. Punchi Commission it recommended and that it is the necessary to the prescribes and the time limits of 6 months, and within which the governor should decided whether to the grant asset or to the reserve it for the consideration of the president. Conclusion: while the governor and positions to vitals and to the maintenance the integrity and the unity of a country and the federalism, and must also be strengthened and by making sure the governors and does not infringe and upon the authorities of enacted the government. The Punchi Commission and recommendation that the state legislation impeach and government, and that the chief minister be consulted before the governor nomination.